EV startup Canoo has finally reached the revenue phase, and limited production has now started in Oklahoma, with Canoo saying volume production is still on track for 2024. During Tuesday's third quarter 2023 earnings call, Canoo showed off 3 of its first made-in-Oklahoma lifestyle delivery vehicles that are being delivered to the state of Oklahoma as part of an agreement to sell up to 1,000 Canoo EVs to the state. Although relatively small, revenue is starting to flow in.
We generated revenues of approximately $519,000 in Q3 of 2023.
Meanwhile, Chairman and CEO Tony Aquila announced Canoo's Pryor, Oklahoma battery plant is now capable of a 20,000 run rate, and the new assembly line in Oklahoma City remains on schedule.
November 14th, today we update the General Assembly system is on track to achieve the 20,000 unit run rate for Q1 2024. Listen, we believe it's essential for us to be disciplined when stepping our way into volume manufacturing with the right pace of investment and with our supply chain partners.
So far this year, Canoo has raised $253 million in capital, but it's also burning through cash fast, with a net loss of $112 million in the third quarter. Canoo's total order book has passed $3 billion, with more than $750 million in committed orders. Committed orders from companies such as Walmart add up to more than 18,000 EVs. Canoo's CEO was bullish about enough money coming in to make it through the ramp-up stage.
We'll get our first set of incentives in the first of the year. When you've got great POs from grade A credit and triple B credit, our spread, very bankable to get advances on. However, we want to focus on this phase before we pay cost of capital.
Based on the number of committed orders, Canoo indicated it already has enough business to make it to the break-even stage if it can keep raising enough capital in the interim.
Yeah, we start to really come to profitability, to kind of break even around 14,000 to 16,000 units, depending on the manual processes and the automation we've implemented.
At the time of this video's recording, Canoo's stock had jumped 5.5% following the third quarter earnings call. For individual customers hoping to buy one of Canoo's EV vans, they've still got quite a wait, since the company has made it clear its priority will, over the next year or two, be fleet customers.
Not only are our fleet customers contracted multi-year volume buyers with bankable credit profiles, and are those who demand minimalism with maximum functionality and safety, these partners can help you fast forward generations of continuous improvement, which will ultimately benefit our consumer customers when we increase and expand our delivery to these additional markets.
You'll find more Canoo's story and video coverage on the web at evrider.tv. And if you found this episode of EV Rider useful, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to bring you more adventures in EV motoring. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.